It's okay. Just feel the smack of it, you know.
Yeah.
Just relax.
Just only I cover myself.
You may not do it for the first game, second game, third game, fourth game. But always put in your mind, you will be at a winner. So don't aim always to win, just aim to practice your Plus, don't feel they are feeling something. Or if you keep on mistake. The more you do it, the more you will enjoy.
Yeah.
Just always like this. Always like I have this step. When I do like this, when I do like this, the body feels good. But after one week of doing this, you see, I'm doing this and you can feel something.
Ano? Ano na kayo, te?
It depends.
Yeah. Not like this.
Because their smash is going like this. That's why I'm moving a bit. That one, you can... Because what I am used to doing, when I'm comfortable, I'm finding the place where I'm comfortable. I'm still not good in receiving, that's why I'm a bit back. I'm practicing to be forward a bit. I'm always like this. But with this, I'm not yet mastering the receive. No. What I'm saying, still I'm developing. It's only I cannot see the guy who's smashing. I'm just anticipating. When you smash them, as long as your position is right, then you have to try to hit someone to hit you here so that you can recover them. And to receive it's better like this. May baka normally the player here there is nothing.
Kukuha ka na ng character.
When they see this one, just keep doing this one.
Hindi ba kasi huwag na. Baka makala pa rin.
The only thing I notice is during our game, you are expecting the ball in the first.
Yeah.
You should not do that. When you always expect to win with them, even if your opponent is not good, because sometimes lucky shots are good. You are not expecting that they will come. This is what I'm doing. So yeah, waiting. You know, if you are waiting,
Go, Daddy!
and you should be like after moments maybe so that you will not be afraid to receive.
Go, Daddy!
Don't practice this because right now you are improving the posture. Don't practice with the guy who is doing like this. You know, when they receive the ball, they will put back. This one later on. Like when they receive it, they put the other side like that. For this time, just right here, smash, smash. You know, my technique when I was in front, instead of pushing, I'm moving to the back. You know why? Because if the opponent is good, if I cross, he will get. If my opponent is good and I put it at his back, he will get. But look,
More than 3.
more than 3. So we will do 1, 2, 3. When I do first and he's good, one step only. You know, if the opponent is good, he will step 3 times. And the other guy will confuse where he will go. Because when he goes there, at the back, he's sitting there, this all are behind. So there are chance he will come front. When he comes front, the other guy is there and you smash in the center and then in the center because he's moving the front. When you are moving, you will receive.
That's what's happening to me with right? But she gets past.
Yeah, she gets fast. But if you put up to her back, even if he get, look, his partner will be confused. He's there, I'm here. Where shall I go? Front or back? So always do the basic. The basic is just go straight. Yeah. He will get extra. He will get. But you need to make legs. The Vulcan slot. And that only when this simple smash. Not strong, but the one you are comfortable. He will not make mistake. Because you are thinking only the one you like. You need to think what will happen if he goes back. And if this is the difficult step.
Yeah, at the back.
Especially when you are ready, you cannot return
Almost like doing the back.
3 times. Oh yeah, either he will do like this or he will step the power. Even though they are struggling to get the back. But still they can get it. Cambridge boys, you're in and Wednesday is nothing. At first I'm thinking Cambridge University. I asked him, why you are not doing the cross drop or counter drop? He told me, I'm not playing it, but I always do it on the first time. But the movement 1, 2, 3. And the other guy, he will run in the center and he's not to the side. I will go. Look, this is the net. There is line here, line there. You receive the ball here. This is your side. Where you put this guy will go here. Target. This guy will come here. Now his partner is here. This partner where he will go. This one is the time. Yeah. So he will run in the center. This is number 2. This is number 1. So since number 1 is there, number 2 is run in the center. You know, when he run here, what will happen to this side? It's empty. And also the distance will run here in front. This
Yeah,
one.
it's easy for them. Yeah.
Look, you will run here fast. And this one just get the ball, you will struggle to run here. Look, this guy come here, then he will go here. This guy will come here and he will go here. When they are moving, it's not easy to receive. When you are moving, like that, you cannot receive.
Ayun na naman.
Unless you are lucky.
At least semis na, natalo ko sa
But
semis
if
na.
you do cross graph, only this guy will move.
Congrats,
This guy
final.
will just run.
Ayun na naman magkapatid. Ano ba yan?
Pahinga kayo ha, kasi malakas din yung kalaban niya.
Nung nagsa-service sabi ko, Lord, Holy Spirit, help mo.
Malakas din yung kalaban niyo, boss. Pero kaya naman. Si Sam tsaka si Jinky.
Mas malakas yun, yung nakalaban